Is it time to buy or sell SoFi stock? In this video, we are diving deep into SoFi. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 19th of December, 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and get a free price prediction and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 11th of September, 2024, our system has identified SoFi as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.9. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 105.61% since we initially designated SoFi as a buy candidate 71 days ago. This results in an average return of 1.49% per day since its classification as a buy candidate. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of 144.35% over the next 3 months, with an anticipated return ranging from 144.35% to 182.37%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it points to a change of 42.31% over the next 12 months, with a possible return between negative 22.30% and 60.40%. This corresponds to a price range between $11.68 and $24.11 after a year. Our latest daily update for SoFi includes the headline, SoFi stock price down 1.38% on Thursday. The SoFi stock price fell by 1.38% on the last day Thursday, the 19th of December, 2024, dropping from $15.24 to $15.03. It has now decreased for 3 consecutive days. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated 7.17%, with a low of $14.92 and a high of $15.99. The price has declined in 6 of the last 10 days, resulting in a total decrease of 3.96% during that time. Interestingly, the trading volume also fell on the last day alongside the stock price, which is generally seen as a positive sign, since volume should ideally follow the stock's movement. On the last day, trading volume decreased by 31 million shares, with a total of 43 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $644.80 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $17.19, while the lowest price was $6.01. Currently, the price is 12.57%. or $2.16, below the 52-week high, and 46.82%, or $13.23, below the all-time high reached on the 1st of February, 2021, when the price peaked at $28.26. As we approach the end of 2024, SoFi Technologies is generating significant attention from investors, especially with the January effect on the horizon. This seasonal phenomenon often sees investors reinvesting in the market after selling off underperforming stocks. SoFi, which has experienced a dramatic fluctuation in its stock price, 75% below its all-time high earlier this year, may benefit from this trend as its lending business continues to outperform expectations and its financial services arm is witnessing impressive growth rates of around 100% annually. Furthermore, SoFi recently surpassed 10 million members, bolstered by nearly 2.5 million new additions in 2024 alone. This surge indicates robust engagement and potential future revenue growth, which is critical for long-term stock appreciation. The company's current stock price, recently reported at $16.66, reflects a minor decrease from a market peak but remains a focal point in discussions about its future performance compared to peers. In the short term, positive investor sentiment could support SoFi's stock price as traders seek opportunities to capitalize on the upcoming January rally. Long-term prospects appear promising, particularly if SoFi continues expanding its member base and enhancing its services. This strategy will likely position it well to outpace market averages and recover from past volatility, attracting both retail and institutional investors looking for solid fintech opportunities. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, December 19, 2024, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned SOFI an underweight rating along with a hold recommendation. On Tuesday, December 10, 2024, Jefferies rated SOFI as a buy with a hold recommendation. On Monday, December 9, 2024, Bank of America Securities assigned SOFI an underperform rating with a downgrade recommendation. On Wednesday, October 30, 2024, Needham rated SOFI as a buy with a hold recommendation. On the same day, Wednesday, October 30, 2024, Barclays assigned SOFI an equal weight rating with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to SoFi stock. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as sell, and the price-to-book ratio also receives a sell rating. For the return on investment, analysts have given the stock another sell rating. The following signals have been identified for SoFi. The SoFi stock presents a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Given that the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal for the stock, indicating a positive outlook. If the stock continues to rise, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $16. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the long-term average at around $15. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a drop below the long-term average will generate a sell signal. Some negative indicators have also emerged, which could impact the near-term trajectory. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, the 16th of December, in the year 2024, and since then, the stock has decreased by nearly 11%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. The volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 4 days ago. Bollinger offers a buy signal from 48 days ago. The short-term moving average presents a sell signal from 3 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average also indicates a sell signal from 3 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a sell signal from 75 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 80 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for SoFi. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $14.11 and $13.01. There is an inherent risk when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level may result in a decline to the next support level. In this case, SoFi has support just below today's level at $14.11. If this is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $13.01 and $11.81. This stock exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with a good trading volume, the risk is deemed to be medium. During the last day, the stock fluctuated by $1.07 between its high and low, which is a change of 7.17%. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 7.45%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for SoFi, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio might indicate that the stock is overvalued, or it could suggest that investors anticipate significant growth rates in the future. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is expected on the 3rd of February, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at 4 cents. It's important to monitor these figures as they can have a considerable impact on stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SoFi. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SoFi is at $15.24. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be an opportunity to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SoFi's first support level is at $14.11. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point with the expectation of a rebound. The combined average rating for SoFi from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 16th of December, 2024, Derek J. White conducted an insider purchase of 148,403 shares of common stock. On the 18th of December, 2024, Derek J. White conducted an insider sale of 64,433 shares of common stock. On the 16th of December, 2024, Derek J. White also sold 148,403 shares of restricted stock units. On the 16th of December, 2024, Stephen Simcock conducted an insider sale of 142,706 shares of restricted stock units. On the 16th of December, 2024, Stephen Simcock purchased 142,706 shares of common stock. Analyzing the most recent 100 insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 67.991. In total, insiders purchased 10,355,776 shares and sold 54,952,108 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $14.10, reflecting a decrease of 6.22%. This stock experiences moderate daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal generated from a pivot top identified 3 days ago. Is SoFi stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current price level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for SoFi stock to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 20th of December, we anticipate that SoFi will open at approximately 283 thousandths of a dollar and start trading at $15.31. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.